I did. Oopsie. Okay. Right. Inside this, actually no, not necessary, or is it? No, not. I don't believe it's necessary. Sorry. Just wondering whether you need to set up icon for this. Just copy and paste the directory in there. Unless TAD uses its own, we'll find out in a minute. We'll test this. We'll just hit launch. And wait for the server to set up. We get all our files generated and things, you know. Okay, so what I can see is that TADST has created its own BadLI directory. So what you want to do is in BadLI extended controls, point it to that directory instead. Okay, that's enough for that. Now the server started. I go into BadLI extended controls. Right, for me, I have to run some custom commands on my BadLI client. Just the OS I'm using seems to have a few problems with it. Let me just find that real quick. There we right here. So dash dash DEC is a function you can use. Just basically means BadLI gives more information. F and then config CFG basically points it to where the config file is. Again, it's just a thing that I have to do. You guys, if you have any problem, I suggest doing the same thing. So you just create a shortcut, properties, and then just smack that at the end of target. Make sure there's a little space in between them two there. Okay, okay, I do need to set up a B server CFG. I was wondering if I needed to do so. Right, so let's close this down. Go to your BadLI folder, new text document, .cfg. In here you can do little commands, archon, and then your archon password, and then you do say max ping, like that, you know. Just little commands like that. I'm sure there's resource sheets out there. I'll try and find them and I'll link them as well. Try this again. So we'll launch the server. Launch BadLI. Might have to put an equals or quotation or something. server.cfg. Oh, it's archon password. Sorry. Not just archon. Make sure you close the server whenever editing this file. Try that once more. Right, so bebans.txt doesn't exist, so it's asking for a beban file. Again, this is another reason why I use dash dash DEC. It wouldn't tell me these things otherwise. But again, go into your armor free server, DADST, default, battle. It's asking for bands.txt. I don't know why I created that as a folder. Or a double txt. It's all over the place today. There we go. You'll see when the server's launched, the server becomes be active. That means the server is currently using that file, and no other server should use that file. Should mirror these images. You don't should mirror these files, so you don't want to point multiple servers to the same. You see BE server underscore active underscore, and then just some random IDs that changes. It's just for identification that it is in use. Right. BC doesn't like me. What did they complain about? Missing admins. Okay, it didn't like me commenting out that file apparently. Apparently it wants that. Okay, it will just be blank instead then. Again, you see I got a lot of errors. It's because I did the quick kind of setup. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to customize the config file a little bit more. It is running though. Right, so it's complaining about the bands. I have too many folders. You can set multiple band folders, you see. So, just looking for bands 1. Oh, sorry, I'm right here. So these are custom band files. Okay, so I can just comment this out. Again, to comment things out, you just put this little hash here. Save it. Disallow player character names. Put a hash in there. And it's warnings as well. I'll just put that back to 3 now because I disabled the warning system anyway. Okay. And you basically work things out from there, as you can see. Again, I'll put the link to the resource for BEC in the description. So that is the default server setup. So you have the armor free server, the config file, and the armor archon. Archon's not showing anything right now just because we haven't gone in. Oh, that was my friend. So let's go and test everything works. So what we'll do is we'll just kick up armor free and we'll have a quick look, make sure we can connect to the server okay. Remember there is no mission, make sure there is no mission file or anything loaded. So we'll test the server and then that will be it for the configuration of the default armor free server. Like saying, this video is for the purpose of setting up the server itself, not loading the mission file or anything like that. I'll do a series of videos afterwards showing how to load Altus Live, Wasteland, all those things, get into advanced configuration. Right. When I enabled V2 signatures earlier, what that basically meant is that anyone with custom add-on files cannot connect to the server, and I will demonstrate that in a second. We'll go on the multiplayer. I know the IP address for my server. It's on the default port. There's the test server. We set the password as password. And there we go. See there, it's kicked me. I have custom add-ons enabled. That's what V2 signatures will allow. It stops people joining with custom add-ons, hacks, things like that that make it a bit easier. Right, so I'm going to disable all of my startup parameters for my Arma 3. I'll put that in the description as well. I know a lot of people like sharing startup parameters and trying to find things that will make their game run a little bit smoother and a little bit quicker. So as you can see, and we get nothing because we haven't loaded the server with anything. But as you can see, we got him. As you can see, we connected. You can see my lovely GUID right there. Okay guys, so again that has been the basic configuration of the Arma 3 default server. Again, we'll do a series of these videos, how to set up Altus Live, how to set up Wasteland, and basically whatever other requests we have. Bad light filters, custom filters, setting up server performance. I'll probably do a video on Arma 3 server binary indexing as well, which is a customized Arma 3 server program made by third party to make things run a little bit smoother. So we'll go into a whole series of videos. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Close all this down. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.